Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. Welcome to part 7 of this SQL series. In this video, we are going to see introduction of data types in SQL. So, it's a very crucial and effective part in SQL because everything we are going to create, modify, or alter is we are going to do with data types of SQL. So, let's start with it. So our first four data types are numeric, that are integers, decimals, floating point numbers, and currency. Okay. So integers are used to storing whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimals are used to like financial calculations and precise decimal places. Floating number are useful for scientific calculations. And currency, as you know, currency is used like rupees, dollars are like that. So these are the four numeric data types in SQL. After that, there is a characteristics data types in SQL. So as we can see, there are three character data types in SQL are available. That is string, char, and varchar. Okay. So string is used to store and manipulate text data such as names, addresses, and descriptions, and lot more. Characteristics are used to fix length character data for efficient storage of consistent length string. So we will see it in practical sessions. Just take a overview of it. What are the data types? We will see it one by one in a practical sessions after these theoretical sessions. And last character data type is varchar. So varchar is a variable length character data that adapts to the length of the strings that is stored in the query. Okay, so these are the character data types in SQL. No need to worry, we will see it one by one in a practical sessions. It's this is a beginner's guide series, so that's why I'm taking it in a basics from the definitions. We will see it one by one in a practical sessions. So don't take any tension about that. Then there is a third is a date and time data types. So date data type is used to like as you know, date data types are like in a date format, DDMM, YY format. So it is used to take any date from the in the query. After that, there is a time data type. So in the to take like recent date or time. So there is a one query that is select get date. So you can get a like current time and date of that day. We will see it in a practical session. So date is used to take any birth date or anything something. Time represents day perfect for scheduling and event management. And there is a date and time, so it combines both and date and time in that data type. Okay. And after there is a Boolean data type also. In Boolean there is a true and false sentence are there. So I will tell you one definition. A Boolean data type allows for the storage of two distinct values typically representing true or false, yes or no, or nor of. It is useful for logic and decision making in SQL queries. So most of the time in Boolean data types we use true or false sentences. Also in Tableau and other functions are there also here where we are using most of the times true or false in Boolean data types. Okay. So the last, I think, yeah. So the last data types are binary, XML, and JSON. So it's a miscellaneous data types. We are not using it like that much. In binary data type, there is a stored binary data like images, audio, or video files. After that, there are XML databases, and there is a JSON image files. Okay, so these are the miscellaneous data types in SQL. And last is a conclusion and key points in SQL. So the first are choosing the right data type. Understanding the nature of your data helps in selecting the appropriate data type. Then the second key point is data integrity. The second data type is data integrity. Data types maintain data integrity by enforcing rules and constraints on values. Then there is a third key point is efficient storage and querying. Using the right data type, we optimize our storage space of the data and enhances query performance with the right data type. Then the fourth key point is data transformation. With the help of data types, we facilitate data conversion and transform operations within the database. So these are the data types in SQL and conclusion and key points in SQL. If you want, you can take a screenshot to recitation. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Next, we will see another part in the next video. Till then, if you like this playlist, please do like and subscribe. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you.